Sibongile guys, uyashada kwenze vele ngicela ukuthi ucela mshade ke kanti-ke eyaphetheni nonjengaye lokhu eqhubeke njalo ngalo lolo hle ngawo lo shuni lo phetheni afuna ukwenza i-DNA test asazi ukuthi ubani ongasiyingane-ke kanjengaye between uVusi kanye-ke noKwenzo. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sali Live Show and thank you so much for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Sibongile and the Dlamenes from the 14th to the 16th of April 2025 on Monday. Njengaye presses Phetheni for more truth. Vuma is proud but feels sad about letting his daughter go. Vusi and Gcina come up with a cunning plan, but Vusi doesn't want to betray his values on Tuesday. Nomfundo gives Njengaye the bad news that he never wanted to hear, and Samge urges Nomfundo to find for her man or to fight for her man. Sibongile is in a daze with Kwenzo making big plans for the special day and the future on Wednesday. Njengaye does the unthinkable. It's Sibongile's day and she gets an unexpected surprise. Meanwhile, Vusi learns more devastating news. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion.